Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use templates in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to search for Google Docs, and then here you will see the first link. So you just need to open up the first link, then go to Docs, and then here basically you can see all of different kind of templates here. If you want to start a blank page, you will basically just use it from here. And let's suppose that if you want to make a CV, then there is a template here basically. So just let's suppose that you want to use this. Tap on it, and this template will be opened up in Google Docs for you. So now basically you can change it. You can basically customize it according to your need. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.